Hello everyone, another day, another dollar, another winning day today. Made across all my fundeds and two of them are evals, 3,700. The P&L is a bit less than usual today because half of my Apex accounts, I'm just getting winning days, trying to just get to that payout. I've already got a good enough balance. So yeah, I took light size on those. Actually, those I didn't add that P&L here because I'm only going for $150 days. So those are just separate. So 4 Apex fundeds we're looking at, and 1 Lucid funded, and 2 Lucid evals. Well, we didn't hit full take profit on this trade. I'll explain in a bit. We took partials up here. On the Apex fundeds, I took full position out, and on the Lucid evals and the 1 funded, I just rode the rest to break even. So it was a total of 3 micros. Took 1 out here, let the rest go to break even. Anyways, enough of how much I made and enough of the pocket watching. Let's get straight into the breakdown. As you can see here on the daily time frame, we're looking more bearish. Obviously got this fair value gap here, came up into it, rejected, came up, rejected, another time rejected, straight displacement, and we came straight through these lows here. So the obvious thing is that we're gonna come and take these lows. So that's originally what I came into the day looking at. But then here what you can see is, like, we're not really getting any retracement. Like, market opened, we were around down here, right? So what I was originally looking at was to come down here. But what made me take this long? Let's look at it. So we had this 9:30, market opened 9:30, created this wick, and as you can see on ES, the same wick is right here. We have SMT, we take out the wick low on NQ and we leave it on ES. That's SMT right there. So once we make that SMT, we're also, if you look to the left here, in this hourly bullish fair value gap, and we had this 5 minute. So obviously coming into market, before market open, I was thinking, okay, this 5 minute gap, it should sponsor a move lower, right? And then once we inverse it, I was thinking, hold on, maybe we want to go back up here to tap into one of these hourly fair value gaps to then get that move down. So that's what I changed my bias to. And yeah, the hourly fair value gap with the SMT, with the 9:30 low wick, and then we got instant reaction. You see that? Instant reaction. That's what you want to see in most of your trades. If it takes like a long time, like, that's a bit sus. Like if it comes all the way down here and then does some weird stuff and then no volume, no displacement, that's sus. So the 5 minute fair value gap gets inversed all the way up here. I got a better feel because it took me a while to actually switch bias and I kind of hesitated, and this strengthened. When I saw this SMT, I was like, yeah, okay, with the SMT displacement, with this hourly fair value gap here to target, with the 15 inside, and I was like, yeah, price definitely wants to go up there first and then come down. And then obviously we eventually hit that, and look at that, that's just beautiful. Look, exactly how I wanted it. Went up there. This, the white line is the fair value gap, by the way. 1 hour fair value gap, hit, boom, instant. And then obviously we want to see it come down here, but I'm done for the trading day. I don't really care about that stuff now. So how did I play this? 5 minute fair value gap, inverses. So I'm thinking here, I'm like, okay, this could be potential good longs, but I still need to assess the situation more. I see all the confluences I need. I see the volume, the 5 minute wick, the 5 minute candle opens low, and I'm like, yeah, okay, it's going to be open low, high close, right? So then I'm like, yep, that's all the confirmation I need. Entered the trade right here, got a good break even point here, full TP up here. So this was low-key rage bait PA, because it gave me the reaction that I wanted. I was like, yeah, nice. Went all the way up to break even. When we got to break even, it was just a chop fest. Look at that. We moved sideways for how many minutes? Like almost 20 minutes there, I think. And then we got that final push. I was like, yep, we're going to TP. And then absolutely just dumps. Takes out break even, like just by a few points. And then full TP. But I'm not even mad at it. I don't care. It's more about knowing how to, like the ability to take good trades more than the P&L, because P&L will come over time, but you like what will pay you is not just this one winning day. What will pay you is over a long term, and just being able to take trades like this consistently. So knowing that I have the ability to take this trade is more important to me. But anyways, what else do I have to say? Yeah, I'm still new to this, so I don't know if I'm missing anything. But pretty straightforward, isn't it? A lot of people actually, let me get into this real quick. There was a 15-minute gap right here. This 15-minute gap right here, a lot of people took this trade. And even Blake took it, actually, because I when I finished my trading day, I went to have a look at his Kick thing. He live streams on Kick sometimes, so I just went to look at. I was like, oh, did he take this? Did he get break even on this? Because he normally just rides it straight to take profit or break even, right? So he wouldn't have took partials here. So I was thinking, did he get rage baited here? But apparently he took this trade. Where is it? I can't find it now. Came down into this 15-minute. Where is it? Where's his trade? Oh, right here. Right here. This is a trade that a lot of people took right here. Tapped into the 15-minute and got a reaction. Look at these wicks. And then closed above this fair value gap. I feel like this is unlucky. How many points are these? These are kind of small candles. But at the same time, I just feel like the draw on liquidity is good. Came into this 15-minute fair value gap. This isn't a bad trade, I would say. We've got a bit of low resistance liquidity. I would have liked to see it at least come into this fair value gap here, and then you can go break even, maybe, unless you want to go break even up here. But I would most likely go break even here, even though it kind of looks a bit early, and then see the reaction we get off here, and then ride the rest of it. But that's just unfortunate, man. I think that's a decent loss to take there. I don't know if I would say it's A+, but yeah, it's just unfortunate, man. PA was just genuinely rage bait PA today, but we did end up going to the full draw, and then now look, we're dumping. And you see, when people say the market is random or some ICT doesn't work, this is just literally proof right here, bro. This is not random. SMT at the low, inversion, take it all the way up here, instant reaction off the hourly fair value gap, bro. And then if it hits here, bro, come on. So anyways, enough of the yapping. That's the end of the breakdown. Hope you learned something. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.